Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaya. For any of you that are new and viewing today's video, welcome. Y'all, we are reviewing and installing the new Sensational Vice Unit 8. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so before we jump into it, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you have not already, and if you are subscribed, thank you so much, and make sure you guys leave a comment below and let me know what you think about today's wig. So opening the packaging up, you can see that it has some lace exposure in the front. It is a middle part wig. Let's keep that in mind. I did not try to see if the unit can be worn on your left side or right side type of part, but I love a middle part, so that's what I stuck with. So the Vice units come with a very natural hairline. And this one is pre-plucked and it does have baby hairs with it. The lace is a tad bit light, so I did tint that a little bit with my makeup, not any tint spray, but with my makeup once I get this lace cut off. And I'm going to install my wig today without any baby hairs because I just really like to see how these units can be worn without any baby hairs, of course, and I really love how this one came out. So far, so good. So there weren't any huge complaints about this wig. It tangled just a little bit, and you'll see that towards the end when I comb it out. That was the biggest issue that I noticed with it. It just tangled just a tad bit, but once I combed it out, it was pretty good. I didn't have any shedding going on, which I really appreciate with that. I mean, it shedded a little bit, but it wasn't a bunch, you know, which is, I kind of expected it to be a lot of shedding because of how long the wig is, but it didn't shed that bad, so that was really good as well. So yeah, to the length, the unit is pretty lengthy as well. I'm going to stand up at the end of the video and show you how long it is on me. It goes down to like the bottom of my bottom, so that's probably about 30 inches long if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, it's pretty lengthy. So to install my wig today, I am going to use the Got To Be spray, spray only, just to see if I can get that nice and secured down. And it went down pretty good. It melted into the skin very well as well. So I wrapped a satin wrap around it to see how I could get it to melt and how it would look, and it looked bomb. Okay, I do think the next time I wear it, I might pluck out the front just a little bit, but honestly, I think it's plucked really well, but I'll probably go back in and pluck it just a tad bit more. So to secure it down, I'm going to use my satin wrap, like I said, and then I'm going to blow dry it because this is a quick installation process, y'all. We want this to basically be done quick and not have to do too much. So yeah, now I am getting ready to blend in this lace. There's a little bit of lace showing that I didn't cut off, so I blended it with the bronzer powder that I have just to make sure none of that is showing. And then the color that Sensational sent over is the FLAMBOYAGE Sand shade. So it's like an ashy blonde color. It's a beautiful blonde shade. When I wear blonde, this is more so of the blonde that I like to wear. I feel like it's pretty flattering against my skin tone, more than just like a regular 613. So I'm going to tame down some of those flyaways that you might see or may not see with my edge stick, my edge pomade stick. So this unit also takes heat pretty well. I'm going to use some heat on it just to flatten out the roots. And then I'm also going to add some makeup to that parting space. So I really like this lace. The lace is thin. It melts into the skin real good. The unit is pretty big head friendly as well. I had a lot of space in the back of this unit. I do wish that it would have come with like some layers possibly in the front, but that's something that I could cut myself. But it's like all one length around the entire wig. So I wish it would have just had a little bit more of a layer effect in the front. Just so it could fall a little bit differently. But other than that, though, it's still pretty good. So not too many issues overall. So if you guys are interested in this hair, I will have the link in my description bar, so you can find some areas to purchase it online, and then you can also probably check your local beauty supply stores and see if they have it in stock as well, because I know some people don't like to order online, but me personally, your girl likes to get hers offline. They come quicker, and some beauty supply stores will have them, some don't. So you'll probably do better finding the wig online for sure. So this advice unit definitely gets a 10 out of 10 in my book. I really, really like this wig. You will see me wearing this one for sure. I just got to figure out what outfit I'm going to wear with it. But yeah, that's all I have for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Leave me a thumbs up, subscribe if you aren't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.